Good morning everybody, this is Indu Das, and today I thought I will create a video for fan installation for this particular model, which is one of the best and least expensive model fan with quite a lot of features and DC motor. So remember, DC motors are very energy efficient, and they are also quite, look at the remote, you will be quite impressed. They have lots of features on the remote itself, and I didn't want to really go to the smart fan etc, because it's just too much overkill. So this is the particular fan in my research, which is one of the best model, but surprisingly I couldn't find any video for that, so I thought I'll just go ahead and create one.
Now if your ceiling mount looks like this, the very first thing that I would recommend is you do it is put in separate, I put a separate ground cable here. That makes the life so much easier, and it's easy to connect later on.
Next, as you can see, my mount is a little bit indented in the ceiling, so I would not be using the screws that came with the fan because that's a smaller one. Rather, I would be using longer, about an inch longer screw that comes with the mount itself. Next is just screwing in the base plate.
And that's it. We have to take only one screw should be in first, otherwise there's a tiny little indent which does not let the other screw slide in. So one screw should be first in, then you arrange this, then you put another screw, and then you tighten it. So that's pretty much it. After then we just hang the fan, and this is the most helpful thing that I found in this mount, which makes the life so much easier.
Next is this base of the fan. So this would hang onto the hook while I do the rest of the wiring, and this is the remote control, basically the base of the remote control or receiver. So I'm going to connect this here and then hang it on the top. Alright, so the remote control receiver connected. This can go only in one way, so be careful, and then push it inside.
Right, so the base of the fan is hanging like this. Now I'm just going to connect the wires. All right, all the white, black and green connected, and I'm also going to tape it, and then it just slides into the groove here. Now I'm going to put the two screws that I took out earlier and close the one which was already there.
Next step is attaching the fan blades, pretty self-evident.
Alright, now as you can see, all the blades are in. One word of advice, always bring your ladder under the fan, even if you have to move the furniture etc, because otherwise it makes the life very difficult. So once you're completely under, it's easy to align the holes and then tighten. It's like a breeze. But if you're doing it from the sideways, it's very difficult. So anyway, now we're going to put the lighting in. For the light, as you can see, this two screws needs to be loosened up a little bit. These two screws and one screw has to be completely taken off, and then this will go inside, and then this will just slide into the place, and then the third screw would be tightened up. Alright, the screws are in now. Now we just have to make sure that we are pushing it. This lighting needs to be connected here. We just have to make sure that we are pushing in the correct direction. Otherwise it might break the pins. And that's it. Now the thing is connected. Now I'm just going to put the cover on and give it a spin. Cover simply would slide in and rotate. Battery on the remote. Now let us give it a spin, and there it is. Again, the remote has multiple features that you can see. You can turn the temperature of the light.
Since I installed it in the daytime, so somehow the camera is not doing justice in capturing the light intensity, but it goes from the faint yellow to bright daylight, so good range of light. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.